All right, so where we're gonna start is actually on the passenger side. We have this big silver trim attached to your AC vents. Now, most of the dash here unclips. It's just what order it unclips in. So we're gonna start here, unclipping this. We're just gonna grab our panel tool. Do the same thing for that driver's side. Now we're gonna go right down below. There's a small little panel on the sides of your center console here. We'll get this removed too. And you can see that knee bolster kind of clips over it, so when you're pulling it, this will just drop down. It's on a hinge, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. And now this whole long black trim piece here also gets removed. It's held in with some clips. Just like that. We'll set this aside. Next up, on the bottom, you have your two little power ports down here. On the very outside of where those ports are, there's a 7mm on either side. You're gonna want to pull each one of those out. And then we can pop this lower panel off with those retaining clips. Basically, what you're exposing is two more 7mm screws way at the bottom. All right, so here's those two 7mm that I was talking about earlier, right here and right here. They're a little under here, so they're kind of hard to see, but you'll need to pull these out. All right, now we're just left with the 4 screws that are surrounding our radio bezel here. And everything in here is a 7mm. They're all the same size, so you can't really get it wrong putting it back. But we'll pull this out of here, and we'll get all these connectors unplugged. All right, and back here, just unplug these two guys, and we'll pull this aside. All right, now all we're left with are the 4 screws holding our radio assembly in place. Once you get those out, we'll pull this out of here and get all these plugs disconnected. All right, just like that. All right, and that's pretty much the end of the install. We're ready to go. Make sure to take this off before you put everything back together. Now all we gotta do is put our screws in. And now we're ready to reassemble our dash.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed that upgrade just as much as we enjoyed developing it. We were here established in 2008, and we've been helping over 100,000 customers do upgrades to their vehicle. So we carry this upgrade and so much more on our website, Infotainment.com. We service what we sell. We have a whole staff that services parts all day long. We also have in-house advisors that can advise you and help you from start to finish. We also have a compatibility guarantee. As I mentioned in the video, we will get your 17-digit VIN number to ensure that everything is programmed to the modules for a seamless installation in your exact vehicle. We also have extended warranties for those of you who would like to take advantage of that. Those of you who pulled out your old gear and you don't want it just to sit in your garage forever, we actually offer trade-in value to your old gear. So be sure to go to our website for more information on that. Last but not least, if you have a request for your vehicle, you want a factory OEM upgrade for your vehicle and you don't see it on our website, we have a product request form that our research and development department looks at every single day. So request that product and we'll get back with you with a possible solution. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and have a great day.